welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to pixelate text in Gimp. As you can see, I currently have a blank document and I'm now going to select my text tool and create some text. If you have an image that you'd like to pixelate the text on, then go ahead and open up that image. I'm now just going to type hello and let's put CS and then computer and let's just put computer sluggish. That's absolutely fine. I'm now going to go ahead and grab my select rectangular tool, and you now need to select the text that you would like to pixelate. For example, I'm just going to pixelate computer. I'm now going to drag around computer, and I now need to go up to filters, and you now need to go down to blur, and we now need to click on pixelize. As you can see, you currently cannot read the text, which is great. But you might find that is too pixelated. So you can go ahead and change a few of these settings by turning down. And we can now actually read the text if we turn the block height too low. But if we just turn it up a little bit more and the block width, let's just change it to there. There we go. That actually looks really good. Once you are happy with your pixelation, you can go ahead and press OK. And that's done. That is how easy it is to pixelate text in Gimp. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.